Here, brown pelicans patrol some of the richest fishing grounds in the world. There's a new member of the flock, a spy on the wing, one that can film the fishing party wingtip to wingtip. Huge fish shoals are found, of spotting them from then taking them by surprise. But where fishing is easy, everyone wants a piece of the act. Bottlenose dolphins. By spreading out, they increase their chances of finding a shoal. They leap to check out the strange bird that's following them. Here, it's not just dolphins that take to the air. Mobula rays. Why they